Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use contacts and how to use them while sending your documents for signature. So, first of all, you click on contacts. Here you can see a create contact button. Click on it. You can add the name for the contact and then the email address, which is compulsory to be added. The other fields are also there, such as the company name, the address, phone number, job title, etc. Once you have added all the required fields, click on save contact. As you can see, the contact has been added. You can add multiple contacts by again clicking on create contact and adding the contact. You can always go back and make the changes. All you need to do is click on the edit contact icon, and as you can see in this pop-up, you can edit the contact, and after making the changes you can save it again. You can also delete your contacts by clicking on the delete contact icon. Now I'll show you how to use the contacts. You can create the PDF, add the document which you need to take signature on, put the name of the contact which you want to send the document to get signature from. So in the email field, once you click on it, you can see in the drop down menu that the contacts which you added are listed here. Select the contact to which you want to send the email for signature to, add the subject and the body, and then click on confirm. In the document, just add the signature and other required fields wherever you want it to, and then click on send. So in this way, the document will be sent for signature. This is helpful because all the contacts which you usually send documents to take signatures from will be in one place, because you can add multiple contacts and you can always delete them as required. Thank you.